How to do a pregnancy test with bleach at home. In this video, we will discuss from ancient home remedies to modern, highly accurate test kits, pregnancy detection has come a long way. But despite the advancements, some still turn to household methods like bleach to confirm. What is the bleach pregnancy test? The bleach pregnancy test is a do-it-yourself method where bleach is mixed with urine. People believe that if the mixture fizzes or foams, it could signal pregnancy. Why do people try it? This test is cheap, easy, and uses materials most people already have at home. But remember, this method isn't medically approved or 100% accurate. How does it work? Bleach is a powerful chemical that reacts with many substances. The theory here is that HCG, the pregnancy hormone found in urine, triggers a bubbling reaction when mixed with bleach. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy-related videos. Please continue watching. What you need for the test. 1. 2 clean cups. 2. Regular household bleach, unscented. 3. A fresh urine sample taken in the morning. How to perform the test. 1. Collect fresh urine in cup 1. 2. Fill cup 2 with about a quarter cup of bleach. 3. Carefully pour the urine into the bleach cup. 4. Watch closely for any immediate reaction. Results. 1. Look for fizzing, bubbles, or froth. If you see this, it's believed to be a positive result. 2. If there's no visible reaction, that suggests a negative result. Is the bleach test accurate? In short, no. This is a homemade experiment and can't match the accuracy of store-bought tests or medical evaluations. Is it safe? No. Mixing bleach and urine creates dangerous fumes that can harm you and your baby. Risks of mixing bleach and urine. When combined, bleach and urine create chloramine gas, a toxic fume. Inhaling even small amounts can cause nausea, throat irritation, and difficulty breathing. Tips for safety. If you choose to try this test, follow these precautions. 1. Perform it outdoors or in a well-ventilated space. 2. Have someone else handle the mixing. 3. Never pee directly into bleach. 4. Keep bleach away from your skin. While the bleach pregnancy test might sound convenient, it's not worth the risk. The most reliable way to confirm pregnancy is through approved test kits or a visit to your doctor.